On the way on Midlands 103 this morning, forecaster Gerald Fleming, also Brian Clunan on DIY, loads of farmers, Enda Kenny, Barack Obama, Angelina Jolie and many more all appearing on the show. Might have made some of those up though. Find out more between now and 12.
Carl James here, live from day 2 of the National Ploughing Championships. We're on air at 12 o'clock today, right through till 3.
In the house, we got the man who's from Portlaoise, a man that became famous a couple of years ago by posting a video, a man known to every single team in this country. Dano McCormick is in the house. Whoa!
Hey,
How you doing, Dano?
I'm grand on yourself.
Well, what do you think of my sexy wellies? Well, here we are, day number 2 of the Ploughing Championships in Rathneska in County Laois, and I'm just about to go off and do something before I start my show at 3 o'clock. I'm about to go off and check out some cows, and I'm going to learn the difference between heifers, Friesians, limousines, and I'm especially looking forward to checking out the Belgian Blues, because I heard the Belgian Blues have got big arses, and the reason why they have big arses